Remi's World! Hello, kids! I am Remi, and this is my friend Mimi. Today, we're going to learn the ABCs. I'll say each letter, and Mimi will give us a word that starts with that letter. Are you ready? A. Apple. I love apples. They're so crunchy and juicy. What color are apples, Mimi? They can be red, green, or yellow. Yummy! Yeah! A. Apple. B. Banana. Bananas are sweet. Do you know who loves bananas? Monkeys. They peel them so quickly. B. Banana. C. Cat. Mimi, can you meow like a cat? Meow. Meow. I think cats are so cute. Meow. 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 C. Cat. D. Dog. Woof, woof. Dogs are playful. Do you like dogs? Yes, they make great friends. D. Dog. E. Elephant. Elephants are huge. What makes elephants so special? They have big ears and long trunks. E. Elephant. F. Fish. Fish swim. How fast can you swim, Mimi? Like a little fish. Swish, swish. Swish, swish. F. Fish. G. Giraffe. Giraffes have long necks. Do you know why? Yes, they eat leaves from tall trees. G. Giraffe. H. Hat. Do you like wearing hats, Mimi? I love hats. They keep me cool in the sun. H. Hat. cream. Ice cream is so tasty. What's your favorite flavor? I like strawberry. What about you, Remi? I like coconut and strawberry too. Me too.
Ice cream!
Ice cream. Ice cream. J. Juice. Juice is refreshing. Do you have a favorite kind? Orange juice is the best. J. Juice. K. Kite. Kites fly high in the sky. Have you ever flown a kite, Mimi? Yes, it was so much fun. K. Kite. L. Lion. Lions are the kings of the jungle. Can you roar like a lion? Roar! Roar! Was that good, Remi? Very good and funny. Yes, funny. L. Lion. M. Monkey. Monkeys are so funny. What do monkeys love to eat? Bananas, of course. M. Monkey. Hey, Mimi. Today is so much fun. Let's sing and dance to our song again.
Remi Mimi, come sing with me. We'll learn all the letters from A to Z. Together we'll dance, together we'll play. Learning the alphabet the fun way. Remi's world is where we'll be. Learning's fun, just wait and see. A is for apple, tasty and sweet. B is for banana, such a yummy treat. C is for cat, who purrs all day. D is for dog, who loves to play. Remi and Mimi, come sing with me. We'll learn all the letters from A to Z. Together we'll dance, together we'll play. Learning the alphabet the fun way. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming all day long. G is for giraffe with a neck so tall. H is for horse, galloping through it all. I is for iguana, green and slow. J is for jaguar, fast as they go. K is for kangaroo, hopping with glee. L is for lion, brave as can be. Remi and Mimi, come sing with me. We'll learn all the letters from A to Z. Together we'll dance, together we'll play. Learning the alphabet the fun way. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for nest, where birds take it easy. O is for octopus, with arms that